Today we're going to talk about the different types of tires that are on an Exmark mower and the upgrades and options available to you. Well, today I'm here with Lenny Magnol, who's a product manager at Exmark and really manages the Lazer Z product line. But today, Lenny, we want to talk about different types of tires, so pneumatic, semi-pneumatic, non-pneumatic. Can you just give us an overview of the differences between those types of tires?
Absolutely. So pneumatic tire is, your basic tire. It's got, a rubber shell fed through a valve stem. It's supported through air pressure, right? You've got a semi-pneumatic tire, which is, again, it's a rubber shell, but it's not supported by air pressure. It's supported by the shell itself. It's just got static air within inside of it to give it its support and give it cushion. And then you've got a non-pneumatic, like our Tractus tire, whose support is all mechanical in the tread band and the webbing itself.
Okay, excellent. So that's kind of the three different types of tires that are out there. Now we're right here by Lazer Z. Walk me through on this unit, what is pneumatic, what's semi-pneumatic, even non-pneumatic? Absolutely.
So all of the drive tires on our Lazer Z currently are pneumatic tires. Okay, so it's the standard rubber tire filled with air pressure. Our front casters, we have a variety. So we have some pneumatic tires on some of the E-Series machines that are filled with air pressure. Then we have some of the semi-pneumatics throughout the E-Series, and then all of S and X series have the semi-pneumatic tires on them.
Okay, semi-pneumatic. And then we've got an option to upgrade to a non-pneumatic tire for your drive tires,
For the drive tire, right. With the Tractus tire, in the 60 and 72-inch machines, you can upgrade to the non-pneumatic tire. And the cool thing about this is that not only do you not get flats, but you get consistent air pressure, which gives you consistent ground height, right? And then the long lastingness of this, we've seen these last 3 to 5 times more than a pneumatic tire does.
Okay, that's excellent. Long life, very important. So then you mentioned one of the benefits of this is that we're keeping that consistent height, so impact on cut quality. How does that play into a pneumatic versus a semi-pneumatic tire?
Right, so that is a big thing. So with a pneumatic tire, you're fully dependent on the air pressure that you have in the tire to support and maintain not only your height of cut, but your deck level and your rake, right? Okay. With the semi-pneumatic and the non-pneumatic, that pulls that out of the equation. So you always have that consistent height of cut, that consistent deck level, that consistent rake. So with a pneumatic tire, let's say we start to get a leak back here in the back tire. Well, what that's going to do is that's going to reduce this side so it can make us unlevel side to side, and then it could even bring that front right caster up off the ground. And so now you could get some caster wobble. You hit a hard surface, have an impact, and that caster is sideways from wobbling. You could actually do damage to the caster fork itself.
Wow. Yeah, so more impact than just the old traditional flat tire that's disappointing.
Right.
It really does make an impact in the cut quality and the overall performance of the machine.
And not to reduce, the impact of a flat tire or a leaking tire, right? Because obviously that takes time, with especially on those front casters. Yeah. You get a flat tire there, you get some debris in the bead. It can be really hard to reset that bead and get back moving on the way. So it can be a major efficiency loss for you in downtime.
Yeah. Well, thanks again, Lenny. It's helpful to understand the differences between a pneumatic, a semi-pneumatic, and a non-pneumatic tire and really see how that makes a difference in cut quality and just overall machine performance. So if you are interested in upgrading to a non-pneumatic for your rear drive tires or something semi-pneumatic for the front casters, the best route is to talk to your dealer. They can get those ordered and installed for you.